Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add satisfying sound effects in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. First select your video and then put it on your timeline. In this video I have no sounds, and here tap on audio and then tap on sound effects, and in here search the sound effects that you want. For example, I'm going to search this water effect so that I can put this sound on my video. You guys will find out a lot of options and you have to select the sound that you want. Simply download the sound and then tap on the plus icon if you want them to add on your timeline. After that, you guys can customize the sound effect and put it where you want. Now I am going to split it. Tap on the sound and then you guys will find out the split option. In here, if you tap on again, and then you guys will find out fade option, and you guys can also use it to make the sound more realistic. And now let's add another sound effect. Here I'm going to search bugs because I want it to make more realistic. And I don't like this sound, and let's scroll down, and here I like this one. Now let's tap on the plus icon, and in here I'm going to split it because I don't want to play the sound when another sound effect is playing. And here let's split it again. Here now I'm going to grow it. Here at the ending, let's split the sound effects and also the ending. Then you guys will find out a result like this. Here, to make it satisfying, I am going to add a background music here. Tap on the sound and then you guys will find out a lot of background music here. Select which one you like. For example, I like this one and I'm going to add it on my timeline. Now at the volume, I'm going to lower it like this because it's a background sound and I don't want it to trouble the viewers. So I'm going to lower it. Now watch your video, and here I'm going to split it. Then let's export the video. Wait for it to exporting to your device. To make your video more satisfying, you guys can also use this sound effects on your video. You just have to search the sound effects and then you guys can put it on your video. So this is how you guys can add satisfying sound effects in your video by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? So we put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.